Hey guys, Samuelson here, and I'm out of my house right here. Yeah. I just want to let you guys know that I've now finally found a way on how we can do firing ranges with my Nerf guns. You see, the garden out here, I don't know how long it is, but it's probably like 30 feet, I guess. But, yeah. I'm going to shoot, the gun here. We're doing the Stryfe first. We're going to shoot it from here, where that mark is, where the glass links to the stone, all the way to the end. Okay? And I'll try and shoot it in a straight line, because I don't want it to go into that bush over there, or anywhere else, because I hate losing birds. Also, my birthday tomorrow, so yeah, and I want you guys to be aware that it will be I might do maybe 5 to 7 videos tomorrow. Sorry if I'm moving in random directions. The sun is in the way, and I can barely see because sun's reflection is in the way. Ow! So I'm just gonna point in the shadow. I'm just gonna be in the shadow. Okay. Go shoot all the way down there with the Stryfe first, and this is how it's gonna work. So yeah, let's start off. Also, just because I'm curious, I'm actually gonna shoot with the barrel and without the barrel. So it'll be 2 shots up, straight and down, and then we'll do it again without the barrel. But we're doing it with the barrel first. Okay. So yeah. So if I'm doing random directions, sun's in my way, so let's do it. Straight, down. Okay. Now I'm gonna put hardest part. I don't want to be that hard. Okay. This time without the barrel. See how good it goes. One minute. This does happen sometimes. Oh well. So you get the idea. That is how I'm gonna do it. So yeah. Alright, going down with and without the barrel goes quite far. So we'll get these up along the way. Oh frick! Now sitting in a straight line, and some of them are from going upwards. So got one here, 2 there, 1 there, another one there, 1 there, and then we got the barrel one, I think. 1 here and 1 here. So overall, I think this Stryfe is quite good. Don't know how far it exactly goes, because I never saw it. Like, I never shoot my guns with bullets because I might lose some. So yeah. And sorry if my voice is quieter than normal, because I am outside and neighbours are out, and all this bad weather. Yeah. I also want to bring you guys that the bunch fell over because of the storms. So yeah. But anyway, that's Stryfe range shooting. Hope you enjoyed. Please leave it, subscribe if you're new, and please hit like for first shooting ranges, and for my birthday tomorrow. So, yeah, I'll see you guys then. See you guys tomorrow maybe. And then, yeah, bye!